listening to Instant Microwave Fuzz, recorded live at the Fuzzbox. Instant Microwave Fuzz is a weekly improvised sketch comedy podcast recorded live at the Fuzzbox Studios in Lahaina, the greatest little recording studio in the world.
Oh, Maui.
Right here on the beautiful island of Maui. To learn more about the Fuzzbox Studios and their mission to encourage, inspire, and empower individuals in developing their creative vision by providing an environment to cultivate their skills and talents, go to fuzzboxproductions.com.
Tell your mom.
And to learn more about Instant Microwave Fuzz, check us out on Instagram at IMF Maui. You can support us on Patreon by going to Instant Microwave Fuzz. You can watch us on YouTube by going to Instant Microwave Fuzz. We're Instant Microwave Fuzz on all the things.
Instantly in your brain.
And now, on with the show.
The show is here.
Oh man, looks like it's just gonna be one of my last these are the final days of taking a puff on a vape.
Excuse me, sister. Can I speak with you? Oh, excuse me.
Hello.
Cover your mouth. Can I speak with you for just a moment?
Yeah, what's up?
Did you just buy a vape?
I did, but it seems like it's not gonna last for very much longer now that the friggin' country's having a say in what we can do. I don't really understand politics, but I guess the president or the mayor doesn't want me to have vapes anymore.
It's actually the FDA, but that's what I'm here to talk to you about. I'm starting a religion. We're called Jehovah's Witness.
Is this that lizard people thing? Somebody tried to stop me outside the gas station for this last week.
No, I know that guy. He's different.
Lizard people Tony, that's what I call him.
That is actually, I believe, his name. I think he changed it legally.
Yeah, LPT.
So it's slightly different. We are trying to create a movement in the vapor community to enshrine our right to vape into a religious right. Take it from a R-I-G-H-T to a R-I-T-E. Does that make sense? Do you understand what I'm saying, sister?
Not really.
We trying to make it so they can't take these vapes away from us. They're going to be a religious
Is that what you're
right.
saying?
That's what I'm saying. A sacrament, a full-on sacrament.
So if we call it a religion, and we say we're practicing a religion, that just sounds like all a bunch of fancy words of saying we'll be fine. We can keep using vapes anyway. So what's your whole deal called? Is there other people part of this, or am I going to be number one?
It's Jehovah's Witness. We have several people already involved at different levels, of participation as well. But I would like to get you in on the ground floor. All you're going to do is sign this right here saying that you declare yourself a Jehovah's Witness.
Done.
And then pay $1,000 to get a plot in my tobacco farm where you can make your own tobacco, get your own ethylene glycol, mix it with the nicotine that you've extracted from the tobacco, and make your own vape juice that the government can't touch. Artisanal vape juice.
Okay, that sounds pretty like small business friendly. That sounds pretty like think local, buy local.
We're a communist collective, so no.
Okay, but I don't know what that means, but I'm still a part of this. I already signed my name away. As soon as you handed me the paper, I signed it.
Absolutely.
I didn't read it, but now I'm reading this byline that says, "My soul may rot in hell forever." What does that mean?
It may.
Okay.
I'm not saying it will.
Should I be worried about that?
I'm not.
I guess down to the main principle of YOLO.
As long as you don't betray us, the church, or live as though you have more than one life, you're fine.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, the whole vape principle, I'm definitely living like I only got one life of just...
You only live once.
Yeah, YOVO.
Excuse me.
You only
Yes.
vape once, yes?
What is it, my brother?
I'm lost, and I'm looking
Spiritually?
Yes, I'm
Well,
empty
this guy
inside.
might be able to help you. I just
And I
joined a religion.
Yeah, I kind of overheard you guys getting. It sounds like you're excited about vaping.
My name is Demetrius DeMarcus, and I've got a new religion. It's called Javaper's Witness.
Javapadadatsu?
Close enough. The idea is we are trying to start this as a religious sacrament so that the government can't take this away from us. You hear how they've already made Juul illegal.
Absolutely. This is one of my biggest issues.
Yeah.
My name's Joseph.
This is the
I'm
only
lost.
issue that most vapors and voters care about. Does that make sense, sir?
It does.
He's going to go on a bunch of big fancy words about stuff that kind of don't make sense, but the long and the short of it is we can keep vaping. All we have to do is sign a piece of paper and
it?
say we're going to give him $1,000.
amazing.
I don't even think we have to give him $1,000. We just say we give him $1,000.
Is this real?
And then he lets us live on his property, and he makes vape juice for us.
No.
And then all we have to do is vape, and then, like, I don't know, say a prayer and agree to go to hell. Is that watermelon whack-a-mole?
That is. I'm going to go inside the store real quick and grab a couple Mountain Dews energy drinks. You guys want something? I'll be right back.
I'll take a Monster. I like to drink healthy.
I want one of them Code Reds.
Code Red?
Code Red.
I'm going to see if they got any more packs of watermelon douche down.
Can you give me a 4 Loco, too?
4 Loco?
Yeah.
4 Loco for you?
I'll take 2.
I have a couple more questions.
Give me a 4-pack of 4 Loco. 4 squared. 4
squared.
Loco
A
squared.
16 Loco.
16 Loco?
Yeah.
16 Loco butt down?
16 Loco butt down. That's my favorite flavor of vape juice, by the
Yeah.
way.
This one's
16
on me,
Loco.
by the way. I'll be right back. It's great to meet you. I'll be right back. Okay.
I just ran out of this vape oil that I just bought in there.
Which one is that?
It's the Bananarama Sling Slong.
Bananarama Sling Slong?
Can you get me another
Is that
pack of that?
2.0?
It's the 16.0.
16.0?
You can get a bundle with the 4 Loco
Can
16
I call you
pack.
sister? Is this, I mean, now that we're...
Brother, absolutely. Here's $20. Will you get me a new car smell vape? Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, Noella. What's up, girl?
Hey, Brother Demetrius, also vape.
This is the high priestess in our church,
Oh,
Noella.
you're part of the church.
Nice to meet you. Are you joining us?
Nice to meet you too. I already signed my life away, but really when I started vaping anyway, it kind of I went along with it.
Yeah.
Happy avoiding religious prosecution to you.
Yeah, it's like throwing the baby out with the bathwater, but you know,
Amen.
yeah,
Throw that baby out.
yeah.
Absolutely.
That's what my mom did. That's how I
Beautiful.
ended up on the street. But that's just my story.
Everyone has a story.
Yeah. So. Oh my God.
This is Brother Solomon.
Brother Solomon. Hey, so you're part of this group too?
He's not.
Look at me. Look in my eyes right now. Guess what?
Looks like you have like.
This is the truth. This is the word.
You don't have to listen to him.
No,
Don't listen
keep
to me.
listening. I know you are.
Do you have a liver problem? Your eyelids are very yellow.
He has jaundice.
Listen,
Oh.
I worked in research and development of new flavors of Juul, and it had its consequences. We were young, we were dumb, we were trying the new weird stuff. We were trying popcorn medley, corned beef and cabbage. We were doing pierogi flavored puff, and we didn't do our research. And unfortunately, I've got popcorn lung. I don't have much more time.
Well, sir, not to be rude, but research is just an illusion that the dark web is trying to sell to us
Amen.
through the reptile people that
Preach.
run the country.
Preach.
Research is fake.
Yes.
Facts are fake. News is fake. The only real news is fake news squared.
But I cough up a lot of blood.
That sounds like a you problem.
Brother, be honest. You tried to smoke an asbestos blunt with me the first day that I met you. This is not just due to vape juice. Don't try and spread your lies here.
Dude, are you working for the feds?
You working for the feds?
Great question.
Are you a cop?
Solomon.
Are you a cop?
Are you a
I
cop?
don't have to
You have
answer
to
any
legally,
questions.
legally, you have to tell us if you're a cop. I've watched so much Law and Order.
He's a cop.
You can't arrest us for being in a religion.
Damn,
They
man.
knew the loophole.
It's constitutional. I'm pretty sure
Look-
that we're allowed to smoke as many vapes as we want
Was
to.
that
She
fake
signed
cough?
it. She's in the religion.
Was that fake cough even real?
Actually, no. I'm sorry. I've been sent on mission by the CIA. What you guys are doing is actually pretty close to the line. I don't think we could stop you after this. Once you go full on, church status, there's no stopping you.
We're already stockpiling weapons and stockpiling vape juice. Look at this. This is Strawberry Alley Cat. You can't take that away from me. What are you gonna do, pig?
Listen, I've known you guys for months now. I don't believe in the things I once believed in. The only thing I believe in is my vaporizer. And my vaporizer I trust.
Do you have $1,000?
Get the paper.
Again, I have to give you another 1,000?
Well, that wasn't really you. That was you, some asshole that you were pretending to be.
I
Yeah,
could do
what-
anything. I'll make it up to you, I swear.
Can
What
you
is your
sign your
name?
name on this?
Yeah, what is your real name, officer?
My real name is Lizard Tony.
Oh.
He's the one they in the papers.
He's the one in the paper.
Didn't you try and replace your skin with scales?
Listen, I'll literally believe anything you tell me.
Lift up your shirt.
Oh,
Pull on your nipples a
see?
little bit.
He doesn't even hardly have any nipples anymore. It's little
What is-
scales. Where did you find all those scales?
Yeah.
This
Is that from
motherfucker's
like
a,
a bearded dragon?
he's a snake in the grass. This
It's
motherfucker.
koi, mostly.
Oh.
Yeah, I scaled him.
That is. Oh wow, that is very slick.
I moisturized as well.
So, do you guys have a church or a place we could go to, I guess, worship in the name of the vape?
We could go under the bridge. That's
Yeah.
where we usually go.
I have an
the
underpass,
The
yeah.
Church of Under the Bridge.
Sister,
Or it's actually
we'd
under
love
a
to
bridge.
show you. Yes.
It's,
Yeah.
it's
Come
I
under the
actually-
bridge with us.
right over here.
Okay.
This
Should
way.
I
I love
just-
it. It's not. It's a short walk.
I'm supposed to
We
go
don't
to work
far.
in 30 minutes, but I feel like I should just probably not
You
show up.
can tell them you can't work anymore because of your religion, but you still need to get paid.
Okay, for religious exemption.
Religious. It's exactly.
Okay,
Hey
great.
guys, here I'm back. Here's your new fresh car smell.
Mm.
They gave me 2 for 1.
What about the Four Loko?
They only had 15.0. No, the four loco. They
Yeah.
had plenty of that. Here you go. Here
Thank
go.
you.
Here's your energy drink.
Thank you.
They only had the watermelon 15.
Okay, I thought you were saying they only had the 15.0 of the Four Loko, and I'm like, that shit should be 32%.
Have you guys heard about Javapanopolis?
What about what?
Is
about
that-
Javapanopolis?
Preach,
Is that
brother.
the golden city that lives underneath the crust of the earth? The holy grail
So you
of-
have heard.
The Holy Grail.
of vape society?
It's also a competition.
We weren't gonna
It's
get.
Javapanopolis 6.0.
Somebody
you were-
once
Season 3.
Somebody once told me he was Captain Vapanopolis, and I believed him and had sex with him, but then it turned out that he also just lived under the bridge over near Main Street.
I've seen that city with my own eyes.
You were that guy, weren't you?
I
That I had sex with that lives under the bridge at Main Street.
I was hoping you'd remember.
Quit calling yourself Captain Vapanopolis.
They've
Okay?
been on Main
No,
Street.
I'm Lizard Man Tony.
Hey! Can I ask a favor, of y'all? I'm trying to proselytize my new religion here, and I don't need a bunch of weirdos clogging up the sidewalk here where I'm trying to like get. Can y'all just go under the bridge and
vape-
fucking puff?
listen.
Vapor Priestess, you want to take us to the gathering place?
Yeah, if you've signed, listen, if you signed, Brother Demetrius, if they have signed the paper, send them with me. I'm heading back. I'm gonna start walking because it's gonna take me a minute to go
Yeah.
that 1 mile.
Yeah. Does
Just-
somebody have
if
an
they sign
electric
the paper, have them
scooter
follow me.
we could all load up on?
I got the wheelie skate shoes.
Excuse me, brother.
Your name Pavopolis?
Excuse me, brother. Previously on Alaskan Outhouse, the plane had crashed into the middle of the wilderness. All of our contestants had to pile into one outhouse, sitting on each other's laps just to stay cold.
Ow!
8 people deep, and one frozen ass outhouse.
I told you it's my turn. It's my turn.
It's drafty down here at the bottom. I can feel the cold air on my bum.
Get your bum off of me. I told you. And once that thing turned to ice, I don't want it on me anymore.
Maybe we can check the wreckage and see if we can find some fabric to clog up the cracks.
My toes are black now.
Well, you guys clearly aren't in this for the win. If I start building an outhouse quickly, then I'll win the $1 million.
That's it. Everybody get off. I gotta poop.
Not again. Oh, it smells and it's so cold. It just punches you in the lung.
After several days, the contestants decided to build a new outhouse, an in-house that they could sleep in without sitting on each other's laps or smelling human shit.
Jerry, I told you not to shit in the in-house. You shit in the outhouse. Why did you poop in our in-house?
I can't keep these two things separate. I can't even walk. My toes are crumbling. Let me just poop where I want to.
Is that a poop, a turd, or a toe on the ground?
You Americans are so pussy. Well, I'm going to build the most modern outhouse Alaska ever seen in the backcountry. Survive a fucking plane crash, you American pussies. I'll be back. We got flush baseboard, we got tile walls, all of it, and plumbing inside the outhouse. Pussies.
Fucking Slav. Just because your parents made you survive a plane crash for fucking sport doesn't mean you can talk to us like that.
Excuse me, I went to international school here in America. I'm actually more American than you are, you fucking bitch.
I don't understand anything he says.
Could you please get off my lap?
Which one of us? We're all on your lap.
Sergey, the most American contestant out of all of them, even though he's not American, built a state-of-the-art outhouse. One with a room where he could vomit, shit, and piss, and another where he could live.
Have you guys ever heard oots, 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 ooh, ooh? That's what you're going to be hearing after you vomit in my palace outhouse, because you won't be able to shit. But if you party with me enough, if you prove yourself, if you prove how American you are, you will be able to take a shit in my pleasure.
Sergey, you didn't invent We've all been since we were born, okay? You think you're American? Have you ever seen A League of Their Own? Have you ever seen Field of Dreams? Do you know who Babe Ruth is?
I've seen all of your American movies. I'm the most American. That is my German Shepherd guard dog. You guys don't even know, do you?
Can you
Ow! Ow! Ow, my ankle!
Can you get her off my lap, please?
Oh. Who brought a freaking German Shepherd into an outhouse building plane crash competition?
Folks, I think Sergey's building a DJ booth into his outhouse and a VIP room with bottle service.
And he's breeding the German Shepherds. We're fucked, man. We're fucked.
I think I heard a wolf howl. What if they get here before we can get into the DJ booth?
I wouldn't worry about it. You know, Sergey, he just has all these bells and whistles, but the judges, they're going to be looking for good construction and, a shapely bumhole.
Well,
That's true.
Just focus on the work.
I've spent literally 36 hours just carving out the shape of my own ass into the snow.
while Sergey worked on his DJ booth, the rest of the contestants bitched and moaned, standing over a shithole.
Wait, you guys don't shit in the snow? What's in between you and the snow?
The outhouse.
What?
Okay, well,
Next you're gonna tell me when you
competition.
when
we
you
have
take
here.
a shit in your house, you use some kind of porcelain fixture to take your poop away.
I would like to pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
Shut the fuck
and
up,
to the
Sergey.
republic for which it stands.
Sergey, I'm so fucking tired of your shit.
Someone's at the door of the
It's-
outhouse.
Oh no, I'm just
It's-
working on my outhouse. I don't know what the rest of y'all are doing.
It's just the uns of the beats of Sergey's DJ table that he somehow got to bring here with him.
Suddenly, the producers decided to throw a curveball and introduce a new character, one with a background in outhouses and the great outdoors.
Oh, my name is Brent Memphis. I come from Louisiana. And guess what? I've been contracted for 15 years. I can easily build outhouse up in here in Alaska.
Are you supposed to help us?
I'm one of the best it is.
So wait, y'all new competition?
Are you
oh
supposed to
yeah,
help?
every day.
Do you help
baby.
us, or are you competing against us?
I'm going for $1 million. $1 million.
Between you and Sergey, I can't understand a fucking word that anybody says in this goddamn in-house or outhouse.
If you were American enough, you would understand he said $1 million. That's what he wants to win.
Don't listen to this
Sergey,
old
stop.
backcountry little butt legal.
Sergey, stop kissing the swamp
I don't trust no
French's
French
ass.
people, even though I speak Creole.
I would like to make an announcement. I'm running for President of the United States of America.
Of course you are. Of course you are.
Oh, jokes on Sergey. I hate all the red, white, and blue paint colors, so he can't even use them for his outhouse.
And wait until he finds out that his German Shepherd is an American.
Now listen here. You get me that shovel over there. I'm gonna build up that outhouse good. Give me that shovel over
What
there.
is he saying?
Give me that shovel. I'm gonna build it up good now.
Shoving what? You
Listen,
think he's a...
I'm gonna show some shit.
I think we should
He
farm.
wants to shove shit.
Making that bouillabaisse.
Hey, we should leave him and Sergey alone.
No.
We need
Gumbo.
to form an alliance and just let these two go against each other.
Yes, yo, yo.
Knock each other out
Sure,
in the
yeah.
competition.
We should clog up their outhouse.
So again, look at
Oh,
me.
I love
Look at
it.
me, so again.
I'm gonna go hunt some pine cones.
Look at me.
Are you talking to me?
Talking to you, so again.
Absolutely. How are you?
I'm those dandy.
Look good. You look great. You would work really well in my kitchen making a bouillabaisse.
You guys should just suck each other's dicks already.
Excuse me. Would you like to be the guest of honor tonight at the DJ party? In the DJ house?
I'd rather take a shit in a hole. And guess what? That's what I have to do. Yeah. Every night.
That's fine. I've got plenty more options.
I grew up taking jumps in
You know, your country lost the war, right? You know Americans had to come and save you, right?
I am American. My country always wins the war.
You aren't fucking shit. I bleed red, white, and blue. You bleed whatever your country's colors are, probably red.
My legs are asleep. I'm bleeding red, white, and blue all over my asshole.
I look
Please
like
get
a rich-
off of me.
Oh my
His
god.
ass look like a rich gumbo.
Why are you all still sitting on my lap?
Say,
And
boom.
then all the shit we have to
Cool.
deal with, and Jerry's just been dying for a week. Just figure out, are you gonna live or are you gonna die?
Where that
Just-
boy with the toes go?
He's taking all the attention.
I think we lost that boy with the toes.
Next time on Alaskan Outhouse.
Oh!
Let's make some toe gumbo.
And I would like to give a pot for every kitchen and a fried pig for every bedroom. Sergey for President of the United States of America.
Meanwhile, his outhouse isn't even complete. I'm almost done.
Let's make America Germany again.
Can I come in the VIP section?
I just want to take a shit.
Hi, I'm the Pied Piper. I just want to invite you to my show this Friday at the King's Grounds right outside the castle. The entire kingdom is coming out. So bring your kids, bring your families, your pets, anybody that likes pipe music.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, in his kingdom debut, the Pied Piper.
Woo, I guess. I don't know. I've never heard this guy before.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm the Pied Piper, but you can call me friend.
You look weird.
What? I'm just here to play some music for the nice people.
Bring back the Friday Night Jester. We don't like you.
Show us your tits.
You call that entertainment? I was more entertained with that mule that was out in the field that one time.
But I just came here to entertain. Jamona.
Fix your fucking face.
That one hurt. I'm gonna skip my solo and skip out of here. This is the worst concert ever.
Get out of here.
Boo, loser.
Later that night, backstage.
Bubbles, you don't understand. They were so mean to me out there.
No, that was a great show. You looked great. You played great.
I didn't even get to one goddamn song, Bubbles.
I meant to say you pretended to play great.
I'm gonna get even. I'm gonna lure all of their children away from the town, and then let's not go into details
Just stay away
after
from
that.
just stay away from the comment section about this show, and whatever you're planning to do in the future. Just remember, we got another show in another town that we got to get to.
Hey,
What did the comment section say?
Just don't. Well, do you remember what you heard out on stage when what made you cry and turn around and leave?
Barely. I've blocked it out.
Mr. Piper,
Yes.
This is your
I'm the manager here at this venue, and unfortunately, because you did not fulfill your full time on stage, we will not be paying you in those 90 shekels that we had agreed upon prior.
I was booed off stage. They threw projectiles and eggs and tomatoes.
Exactly, and eggs and tomatoes are very hard to come by in this kingdom, so that kind of really speaks to how poorly they felt about you.
He threw that in my face.
I honestly think you should probably just give up. I hope this level of feedback isn't going to create some kind of monster or enemy out of you.
What was your name again?
My name is Lady Macquarie.
Lady Macquarie, do you have children at an autonomous age that enjoy recorded music?
Don't answer that. As his representative, you don't just.
We're about to get even, Steven.
I'm reading
What
the
if I
comments.
did?
I'm reading the comments here, and it's getting pretty bad.
We about to get even, Steven. I'm going to lure all the children of the village.
No. Just stick to your talents. The people want to hear music.
Well, also, just so you know, not only are we not giving you the 90 shekels, that cantaloupe and those hard-boiled eggs that you ate before, you owe us for those now, because those are only for performers that fulfill their time.
But this is the worst gig ever. I'm getting new management, and I'm gonna hit the road. I'm gonna be called something new, maybe like the pipe layer, and then that way I'll come back to y'all town and you won't even know who I am.
We just got a comment from the Kingdom Police Department. They want to interview you.
By what?
I have no
Are
idea.
you the guy that seems to be showing up every time that there's kids that go missing from kingdoms? We have the county sheriff here, and he wants to ask you some questions.
Hello, Sheriff.
Listen, there seems to be a lot of discrepancies going on with prior performances and missing children. Every time that you go into a town, apparently children are missing. I think I need to have you come down with us.
Listen, I want you to talk with my representative here. Her name is Jelaine Maxwell. I think you're going to find that she will have all the answers for you. I'm going to slip out the back door right now. Here, pour yourself a glass of Jesus juice. And I will be right back in 35 years. To extract revenge.
Hello, officer. We have a rowboat we can put you on and take you to a private island that is, we can discuss this a little bit further.
Okay.
Hey, good morning, guys. How crazy was that LSD we took last night?
Crazy.
I'm so glad we went to Fuzz Fest. That was awesome.
I know. I had a blast, but then I went home and went to sleep, and I had some pretty weird dreams. Did you guys have weird dreams
did
after?
too?
Totally.
Yeah. You guys did, right?
Still a little shaky right now. I'm scattered.
Yeah. I had a dream that there was some like master religion being created as a loophole for people to smoke vapes, and
I had the same dream.
Yeah, they were being called like vapists or something.
Vaposis witness.
Yeah.
La Vapors. Oh, man, I forgot it as soon as I woke up. Do you ever have that? Like, it was on the tip of your tongue when
There
you
was
were
like
dreaming.
a place like where we wanted to go,
like an outhouse,
like
or
an
something.
opolis of some sort.
Yes, an
Yeah.
outhouseopolis.
Yeah.
Oh.
I wish I wrote it down, but when I fall asleep on like old mattresses on the floor of some person's garage, you never really have a notebook
Wait a minute,
nearby.
guys. Vapor witness?
Yeah.
Did you dream about that too?
I don't even know, but just listening to you guys, it's fucked up.
What did you dream about last night?
an outhouse competition. And
Was there a plane crash involved?
yeah, it was like a fake plane crash, and the survivors of the fake piled into a outhouse for a number of days, and then they decided that they had to build an outhouse.
Right, and was there one really douchey foreign dude?
Yeah, there was like, I don't know.
No, like really douchey.
He was really douchey.
Like he had a Louisiana accent.
That wasn't the douchey guy. The
I don't
foreign guy
know.
was the douchey guy.
Wait, in you guys' dream, was there a DJ booth and there was a piper inside trying to kidnap kids? I had the exact same dream.
Michael Jackson. I could have sworn it was Michael Jackson.
It came off as Jacko now that you say
Yeah,
that.
100%.
Yeah, but even the creepy Michael Jackson-esque Pied Piper guy was not as bad
Is that
as that foreign guy from the
German, maybe?
outhouse
Yeah.
guy, right?
The
Everybody,
guy that was great. The
He
great
wasn't-
German guy.
he wasn't.
He was awesome.
I
In
don't.
my dream, he was rad.
In my dream, he was kind of a dick.
Hey, you guys,
Big Loser vibes.
my legs are asleep. Can you please get off my lap?
Wait,
It's
this
the
happened in
only
the
way-
dream too.
I feel warm though.
You're right, it did.
If your legs fall asleep in a dream, they fall asleep in real life too.
Is this real life or is this a dream?
We call it IRL.
Somebody spin a bottle.
What will that do?
Kiss me, you fool.
If you keep kissing and don't stop, it's a dream.
Let me get off your lap before I don't want to be in between this kiss
Life
anymore.
would be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. And you could tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life would be a dream, sweetheart. Hello again. Shaboom, shaboom.
Oh, life would be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above, and take you into the DJ booth. Life would be a dream, sweetheart.
Hello again.
Outhouse,
This is
outhouse,
the-
outhouse.
My DJ booth. I'm German and most American to you.
Coming off douchey.
My name is Sergey and I build the DJ booth. Life would be a dream, sweetheart.
Hello again. Shaboom, shabooby boo. Oh, wait, here's the bus.
This has been a presentation of Instant Microwave Fuzz, a weekly improvised sketch comedy podcast recorded at the Fuzzbox Studios in Lahaina. To learn more about the Fuzzbox Studios and their mission to encourage, inspire, and empower individuals in their development of their creative vision by providing an environment to cultivate their skills, go to fuzzboxproductions.com. To learn more about Instant Microwave Fuzz, go to IMF Maui on Instagram. Support us on Patreon. Find us on YouTube, Facebook, all the major podcasting platforms. Search for Instant Microwave Fuzz. Tell your friends. And big thanks to our patrons, Will and Alan. We thank you. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.